Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 16 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, mark add new one, and now just select the one that you want to use. As you can see, you've got several options here. You can apply astronomy wallpaper, you can add your own photo as a wallpaper, you can get some iOS 18 wallpaper, Unity wallpaper, like just scroll all the way down and select something that you like. Let me pick, for example, this one from Unity. Then decide which style you want to apply it, and then tap on Add. Finally, decide if it's for both home and lock screen wallpaper pair, or you want to customize home screen separately, but I want to set it as a pair. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is applied, and you've got brand new wallpaper covering both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.